Regarding these two manners of avodah, go. It's stated, go from your land, from where you were born. Go the concept in avodas Adam, in the service of the Jew, in the learning, the study of the Torah, that needs to be, must be in the manner he should go mikol inyanov, all his inyanim kanoda, from all his matters. When he wants to learn Torah, the limud Torah means to go away from all his matters. Kanoda v'inyan nafshi ka'afar l'kol tiyeh, as it's known me from the concept of nafshi, in my soul, and this is myself, the way I am, so to speak, shall be, will be ka'afar, like the dust, nakol, to all, tiyeh petach libi, and immediately it says to all, shall be like dust. This is what we say at the culmination of the Shemona Esrei, the silent prayer. Well, petach libi b'toratecha, and open my heart in your Torah, in your Torah. Okay, notice that. So again, it says, "V'nafshi ka'afar l'kol tiyeh." I shall be like ka'afar, like dust before all. And petach libi b'toratecha, and open my heart in your Torah, b'toratecha. The hatzlocha, the success, b'limud Torah, in the study of the Torah, elidei, is by means of shemivatel metziuto, that he nullifies, he abrogates. I don't know if that's the right word in this case, but he nullifies. We should say more. His mitzius, his existence, is me, myself, and I syndrome. Can say in our terminology. To be awful like dust before all. So he goes out of his eretz, his will, as we said before. This is also what the Chazal say in Avot Perek Daled, Pirkei Avot Perek Daled, Mishnah Tet. Kol mekayim the Torah me'oni, whoever fulfills the Torah me'oni, sofo lekayma me'osher. The end, he will fulfill it from riches. Kol mekayim the Torah again. Me'oni sofo lekayma me'osher. And it's known the inference from this. Sfarim, madul ne'emar b'mishnah ma'yeh scharo shel mekayim et Torah b'mitzav beinoni. Why doesn't it talk about a mediocre person? Why does it talk about a person who is fulfilling the Torah, the reward of the Torah? Me'oni, from being poor, destitute. The reason that it talks about Me'oni is because the Torah speaks about the majority. Rov Torah, and majority of the Torah, is sourced. In other words, in other words, in whoever who fulfills it Me'oni, from being poor. Kema'amar, Hizaru, as we know in the famous sugya in Nedarim, Daf Pei Aleph Amud Aleph. Hizaru b'bnei aniyim, be careful with bnei aniyim, those who are, children of aniyim, of poor people. Shemehem tet Torah, from them the Torah will go out. Mikol makom haguf atama, boy, this needs a reason. We need to understand. It's specifically by means of the service, on the level of oni and bitul, of poor, and bitul and self-nullification. Nafshi ka'afar l'kol tiyeh. The person shall be offered like dust before all, self-effacement. By means of this, a person comes. We come to lefatach libi b'toratecha, to open my heart in the Torah. So in sofo lekaima, and this is the concept of sofo. In the end, you will be fulfilled. Me'osher beruchni, spiritually, sheval bechinat osher sh'Torah. The Jew comes to the level of osher, of riches in the Torah, ribui, opulence in the Torah, ribui belimud Torah, an abundance in the study of the Torah. In other words, he comes to introduce novelties. It gives chidushim in the Torah. צריך להיות בלימוד התורה, just like this concept in לימוד התורה. דרך זה גם עבודה של תפילה, also the עבודה of תפילה, הליכה מלמטה למעלה, going from below to above. צריך להיות לך לך מארצך, that needs to be, also to go from your land, כי מים המשנה אין עומדים להתפלל, do not stand to pray, אלא מתוך כובד ראש, only from כובד ראש, דהיינו על ידי התבוננות, by means of contemplation, בגדלות הקהל, in the greatness of Hashem, ושפלות האדם, and the lowliness of man, גם התפילה עצמה, and also the prayer itself, היא באופן, in the manner שהאדם מתפלל, עומד כעבד כממורי, he's standing before his master, the Eved standing before a master, servant before his master. זהו לך לך מארצך, and this comes לך לך מארצך, לארץ אשר אראך land I shall show you, על ידי שלמות העבודה זו, means the perfection of this avoda, באים לבחינת, we come to the level, אשר אראך, the level I shall show you, גילוי מהותו של ישראל, the revelation of the identity of Israel, the essential identity of Israel, שאראה אותך, I shall show you, ואחר כך נמשך, and thereafter it's continued, כסיום הכתוב, היה ברכה, shall be a blessing, the שלמות העבודה בעניינים אלו, by means of the perfection of the avoda in these matters, ממשיכים את הברכות, we draw down, we continue, we draw down the brachot, the blessings, מלמעלה from above, ובאופן, and in the manner, the brachot נתונות בידיך, they'll be given into your hand, placed in your hand. דהיינו שברachot avaya, the birchot avaya, the blessings of Hashem, נתונות לאברהם, are given to Avraham, באופן ששלוחו של אדם העליון כמותו, that the emissary of the spiritual man is like him. וזהו גם שמבואר. בדרוש, is also explaining the drush, what the Rebbeim, the teaching of the Rebbeim, Shema Medrash, in Lech Lecha Merabes. Because Lech Lecha Merabes alludes to, hints to Leinin HaGeula, to the concept of Geula, Kikol Leinin HaGeula, HaGeula, all the concepts of Geula, Mivchinat Otiyot Kfulot, on the level of double letters. K'ma Shabbat, Kol Iska Shabbat Kaful, all the Iska, the occupation of Shabbat is Kaful, is double. You can look at the Medrash Tehillim Tzadik Bet Amud Aleph, Tzadik Bet Aleph, sorry, not Amud Aleph. Tama Davar Hu, the reason is, Shum She'inyan HaKefel, the concept of double, Moreh al Yichud, Zachar v'Nekeva. Okay? Because again, Lech Lecha is a double Lashon. Lech Lecha. Both Lamed Chaf Sofit, Lamed Chaf Sofit. It's a double. And with a double Lashon, it's Merabes, it alludes to, hints to the Geulah, the redemption, complete redemption. So, now at Davar, the reason is, that the double letters, Sheminyan HaKefel, the concept of being, double. Kefel Moreh al Yichud Zun, the concept of the unity of, unification of Zun, Zachar, and Nekeva. Okay, masculine and feminine, or feminine, however you pronounce it. Also the concept of Yichud, Sovev Kol Almin, also the concept of Kefel, of double, is Sovev Kol Almin, Malik Kol Almin, that God encompasses all the worlds and fills all the worlds with His vitality. Kiviyachol Tochen Agil is the concept of Agil, the revelation, the Latid, that will be in the future. Shaziyah Bepashtut, then it will be simply, very simply, but we'll see it. Hagilui, the revelation of the Sovev Kol Almin, how God encompasses the world. Lemata B'Malikon, we'll see how God encompasses the world on that level, in the level of Malik Kol Almin. In how God is in the world, we'll see the level of Sovev Kol Almin, how God encompasses the world. As it's stated, and God, the glory of Hashem, will be revealed, and all flesh will see Yachdav together. This concept, this matter will be continued, drawn down by means of the avoda, lech lecha me'artzecha, go forth from your land. As the Pashtus simply as the matter is Avram al yidei avodato, Avram Avinu by means of his avoda, kar b'shem Havaya kel olam, that he called the name of Hashem kel olam, the God of the world. Let's say the God of the world. Right? It says kel olam. God, kel olam, God world. And shilakut ve'olam kul achad. In other words, why doesn't it say kel ha'olam, the God of the world? Because elokut, godliness, and the world are really one. Because she'ein od milovado, because there's no one but God besides Him. En od, and higher than that is the concept of en od. There's nothing else. En od. En od besides God. Nothing. En od. Ki roim begiloi, we see revealed how the creation, the yesh, hu hayesh amiti, sorry, not the creation, hayesh anivra, hayesh anivra, hayesh amiti, it truly, you see it. You look at the creation, you see at the creation, and you see the Yesh Amiti. The only reason why a person is alive, any creation is alive, is because of God. Yesh Amiti, because the only true creation is God. As we know, the God was before the world was created, after, and continuously it is only God. And it's God who's giving us life every moment. Ex nihilo. That's parenthetical. Kshem shahaya etzel Avram Avinu, just like it was by Avram Avinu, al derech zugam bechol echad ve'echad achat miYisrael. So it is by every Jew. Shem bnei Avram Yitzchak Yaakov, they're the children of Avram Yitzchak and Yaakov, not Sarah, Rivka, Rachel, and Leah, and the daughters of Sarah, Rivka, Rachel, and Leah. Just like by Avram Avinu, by the perfection of his avodah, his divine service, going, he came to the perfection, that in you will be blessed all the families of the earth. So too is by the surface, that every one of us, every person, the avodat Israel, anal, by the means of the service of Israel, the two manners of two ways of going, below to above, above to below. By Menagilui, Torah and Tefillah, we say another, By Menagiluim, we come to the revelations, the Latid Lavo, there will be in the future time, the Azeh Foch, I shall turn around. Elamim Safa Bura, a clear language, a clear Safa, tongue, Likrok, for everyone to call Kulam, everyone B'Shem Havaya, name of Havaya, Le'ovdo Shechem Echad, to serve him as one nation. Yirotzon, and may this be, she has become mamish speedily in our days. Kuya Mashakatov, Kumi Ori, Kiva Oreich, and get up the light, so to speak. Kiva Oreich, the light has come. Chvod Havaya, the Chvod Hashem, the glory of Hashem, Alayich Zarach, has illuminated upon you. Begula Mitzvah Shlema, the Mashiach Tzidkenu. Thank you very, very much.